Well, last run of the day. Well, I've done 8 of them, I think. It's 9:45 this morning, and now the big flakes are starting. Can you see them? And another day of this. I think I'm going to keep this truck. I think I'm going to keep it. Insurance off of it. First stop done. Second stop on the way. Back roads are bad, but not bad, but main streets are great. In and out of 4-wheel drive all day. Awesome. Playing in the snow. Second stop complete. Another mile, we'll be done. Dinner time. Well, that completes the third stop for the Walmart order, and heading to Pizza Hut, a mile from me. Gotta love it. Oh ha!